Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today, the price made a very important move from a big picture perspective. I realize that if you're some sort of very short-term day trader, then you probably don't care about what I'm about to talk about, but I am talking about things from a grand scheme of things perspective. So if I sound kind of crazy, maybe calling something bullish, my guess would be you just have a much different mindset and perspective in regards to kind of, your entry point into the trade. And the big event that happened today, and this is not really my opinion, you can ask anybody that uses charts, is in regards to the price and that purple line, or excuse me, that pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. In short, this is a very common level where even those that have basic understanding of charts, they're aware of the 200 period simple moving average. And from a big picture perspective, when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it. So that is why, the opening action from the first 30 minutes, there was a gap down, but to give some credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of not only keeping the price up above the pink line, but they did generate a bit of a bounce. Sure, the price pulled back a little bit after the bounce, but key point is, from the grand scheme of things, viewpoint, the price is still up above that 200 period, and that's certainly what you want to see continue to happen going forward, because that essentially, allows for people to say that the bears are still in full control, because that is a long-term moving average. So nice day in and of itself in terms of that, but still a whole lot of work needs to be done. A couple days ago, the price did fall down below that pink line, or excuse me, the purple line there, which I talked about, and that was not a good sign of strength from a bullish perspective. And the price continues to drift downward. So I don't want to make it sound like it was all peaches and cream today, because the price still held above the pink line. Yeah, that was important, but still a lot of work to be done on the bulls part. And that first bit of work that needs to be done is the sooner the price can get back up above that purple line, the better. But as things stand right now, bulls had a good day, but the chart continues to look, that much more shaky. And the quote-unquote shakiness today comes from the reason of, well, once again, the price put in a new low. You can see that's been a trend over the past few days. Every single day, these new lows keep forming, and you want to see, that stop. There's nothing wrong with pullbacks, but the chart at this point has reached the time where it's like, okay, the price has pulled back enough. The bulls need to start to show back up, or else things are really gonna, spin out of control that much more. So we'll see if the bulls can start to, level out the price or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.